Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm Machine back in the video. Welcome back to another video on the channel. And got my first box break of Topps Series 1 2024. Opening day is technically today too. So okay, me finally a blaster box. I just want to let you guys know with the MLB The Show videos and stuff. I don't know when my next video is going to be or any video like that. Because my internet connection is like shit again for like streaming. So, yeah, I'll let you guys know when the next video is going to be. But like, I was trying to stream today. It was perfect. And I tried and like, it took a shit on me. So, yeah, you get 12 cards per pack. I think I got 7 packs per box, 8 packs. You got these holiday variations. Look for exclusive blue parallel base cards. We're all blue, sorry. Cunha. Open up fat packs. Show you guys what my percentage of the set is right now. I do have some box breaks to upload, guys. Like from this is from recently. I got this recently, but like OPC Platinum from 22-23 and like Allen and Gunther, Topps Chrome from last year. Like those are boxes like I've had for a while. I opened them, but I forgot to upload them like near Christmas time and stuff. So I'm kind of liking on videos as well. So let's crack these packs open. See what's inside. I like to give a hobby box to some boy. I like to open up all variations of the boxes, guys, but see why I came with the money I have. What is this parallel? Oh, I forgot what this parallel was. Damn it. It was the Upper Deck products. I wish it said on the back. I don't know what that prayer was. It's like the Mojo refractors, the chrome refractors from like the '89 set I got. But American Leaders, the Angels, Adley Rutschman's second year, Patrick Bailey, used him in Diamond Dynasty. I keep striking out with that guy actually. Rafaela, Johnson, India, Dansby Swanson, beautiful card. Cortez Jr., he was opening day starter for the Yankees last night. You got the National League leaders. We got a Grand Games of Bob Feller. Nice insert. Definitely stoked to try to get this set, guys. Do what I can, but I don't really make a lot, but like that, get Everson, you know. We got a Stars MLB Rally Green. I probably complete the 30 card set more. I'll open this stuff. Yeah. There's a Calais. Yeah, guys, I'll try to do more game videos as soon as I can, but like recently my internet's been bad again. So, like what I'm trying to stream. Release, Williams, Murray. 1 second. I'm back, guys. I had to do something real quick. Yeah, there's a Bryson Scott, Rodriguez, San Diego Padres. Yeah, I hope they do well this year over the Dodgers and stuff and the Giants. Duvall. We got a Hayden Wensky. I don't know which one's the rainbow foil, because every time I look at these cards, they're like so foily now, all together, the base cards. Got our first Royal Blue, Jose Quintana, former Cubby. Jose Quintana, former Cubby. Stars at MLB. We got a Christian Encarnacion. I forget how to pronounce the last one, but nice. Love to complete that set, actually. When I complete Series 1, I'm going to have to go for Series 2. There. Our backwards card. This is another, yeah, there's another one. Soriano. I don't know what this parallel. It's got to be one of the chrome refractors. Or not refractors, one of these chrome cards. Was it Soriano? They're nice cards, though. I don't know what the set is. I'll put it in the side when I figure it out. I'm looking for the checklist. I don't have my phone on me. It's charging. So, Devin Williams, C.J. Abrams, Nick Gonzalez, Matt Olson, Josh Naylor, Tatis, Arco Luciano, Brian Woo. Miguel Cabrera, he's probably his last top card, base card. He's retired now. 89 35th anniversary of Justin Verlander. Miguel Cabrera will definitely be a Hall of Famer for sure. Got a Bobby Witt Jr. And you got Anthony Volpe. Get your stars. I'm looking really close to see which one's the rainbow foil. 2014 Topps, 10 years ago, they had red hot foil before they changed it to rainbow foil, and the rainbow foil's been like that ever since, actually, for Topps. Funny story if you guys didn't know. Next year will be 10 years of rainbow foil for Parallel, actually. Brian De La Cruz, Gossman, Jose Furman. Yeah, Furman. Yeah. Bryce Harper. Matt Manning. 1 second. Okay, I'm back getting used. I'm getting doing 2 cents at once. So got Ryan Jeffers, Abbott, Ryan Presley, Curtis Med, rookie. I got another home run challenge of Francisco Lindor. That's a backwards card. Is that a short print? Elias Diaz, I don't know, it was just flipped over in here. Curious. Another Stars MLB. Shohei Ohtani. I pulled his diamond. Almost got it in, get his diamond, and that will be the show diamond. I got his 94 overall diamond card. Oh, my ribs hurt today. That and back my foot. So. Got another one. Oh, nice. These has to be the holiday ones. Yeah, because that has to be the chrome ones too. Get a Rooker. He's got some bunnies. He's gonna be hopping away with some. Hey, hopping over here. I don't know. Hey, I'm hopping over here with Spanish. Oh. Shut Dak. I can't do Bug Bunny voice. Let's see. Cavello. Horwitz. Tyler Anderson. You get the Cool Dragons. Christian Bethancourt. Matt McLean. Mitch Keller. Brown. Looking, I don't see any rainbow foil. I got another Miguel Cabrera in 2023. Insert. Nice card. I have not seen this yet. Greatest hits. I think I saw that on YouTube. Actually, I don't think I saw that game. I got another Stars MLB. Pete Alonso, one of my favorite players. Waka waka! We got Michael Waka. Yeah, except the Padres now. 10 years ago, he was on the Cardinals. Now he's on Padres. Oh, my God. Yeah. When I do that voice, do I sound like Mr. Krabs or something? Oh. Is mayonnaise an instrument? Ladle. Wumbo. If you rub chocolate on your skin, you live forever. Can't get this back open. God damn it, SpongeBob. I can't get this pack open. We got a Aaron Judge. We got a Kaz McCormick. Beautiful picture. Miles Morales. Keaton Wynn. Brandon White. We get an Alex Thomas. Nice logo with the Diamondbacks these days. I like the new logo. Andrew Benintendi. I'm just doing backwards voice. We get a Ranger Suarez. We get a Logan No Hope. Don't know if this is the parallel or not. I'm trying to figure it out. Yeah, I can't tell. I can't tell sometimes, SpongeBob. I can't tell. We got another stars in MLB. We get stars of MLB Chrome of Bryce Harper. And we get a stars in MLB of Ali Retchersman. And we got a Sal Fetter or something. This last pack of new Herbert's Floss. Come here, Chris. Get your fat ass over here. And let's open this pack together, Chris. And after that, you can eat my popsicles. Oh, my gosh, here's a brand new paper boy. That's a Marty on Zachy, Kevin. This is not PG anymore. I'm sorry. I can't open this pack with my old fingers. Come here, Chris. Help me open it. We got another parallel. We got another, one of these little chrome designs of, effort for these or something. Yes. We got Andrew Vaughn. We got Alex Bohm. We got New York Power. Yes, I like power. I'm sorry, I'm getting weird. We got a Jose Ramirez, like that little dive at the base. Nice photo. We got one of my favorite players. We got Max Muncy. We got Jacob deGrom. Can't believe he's been playing for 10 years now. We got Alex Marsh. Go Cubs, go. We got a... Wait, is this a rainbow foil? I cannot tell. Please be a rainbow foil. I can't tell half the time. We got Jameson Talion. We got a Shea something. We got a Vladimir Guerrero 89 Tops, 35th anniversary. And last Stars MLB, we got a Marshall Leano. And our last card, we got a Ryan Nelson. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys later. If you guys haven't liked this video, leave a comment. And subscribe to mine. Also, don't do what I do, guys. Don't do what I do every day. Drink Mountain Dew. It's a drug. I'm joking. But, yeah, everyone. Thanks for watching. Cheers. You know, I just figured out there's no more commemorative patches in the boxes anymore. That's me, Goofy. Oh, shucks. So really, like, I just remember, like, there's no more patches. There's no more relics anymore. It's fine. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I just remember that. Like, wait, there's supposed to be a relic in there? Yours. Hey, let me know if it, one more time. Let me know if you guys think I sound like Hank Hill. God damn it, Bobby. At 6 o'clock in the morning, you'll stay out right. It's me, Goofy. I'm gonna drink this Mountain Dew and end the video. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah. Thanks for watching the video. Forget to subscribe. Like this video. Comment and subscribe for more. Alright. Peace.